Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learning Highway. Today we are going to discuss about one of the free learning opportunity. What I'm talking about is a program from Ministry of Human Resource and Development, Government of India, and this initiative is called NPTEL, which is actually National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning. So what I'm talking about is a initiative by Government of India. So under this initiative, what you can do is you can learn about the technology and varied other disciplines. So this initiative has made available to you about few video courses and web courses, so you can learn and enhance your knowledge. These courses are available to you under this website. So what I have opened on my screen, you can see that I have opened NPTEL website, and this website is now a front gate to you for joining these courses. Now I'm going to showcase how you can explore the courses. So now I'm going to open a link which is under the menu courses. When I click on the NPTEL courses, I land onto the course list page where I can see that there are many courses available. So the thing to note here is that these courses are made available to you under the varied disciplines. So these disciplines are aerospace engineering, agriculture, architecture, atmospheric science, and you can see that there are many disciplines available like chemical engineering, civil engineering, and many other streams. So you can join any discipline of your choice, and you can join content like video course and web course. And most important thing to note is that these courses are made available to you by the reputed institutions from India, which is actually IITs. And you can see that the list of IITs in this filter is IIT Bombay, Delhi, Guwahati, Kanpur, Kharagpur, and many more. So you can filter and learn these courses at your ease. These are actually web courses or video courses, so you can join and learn at your comfort of your home. So now I am filtering one of the search result which is in front of me. Now you can see that when I select any discipline, they give me filtered result based on the filter criteria. When I click one of the course, like example I take is nanotechnology, and I want to learn this course from IIT Delhi. So you can see that there is one course available from IIT Delhi which is being under discipline nanotechnology and will be given by Professor A.K. Ganguly. So now I can learn this video course, and I dig into the course link. When I dig into the course link, you can see that video course is available, and this is catered by module 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can start from module 1 and can finish up till module 4, module 2, and you can see that there are many lectures available. Module 3, there are many lectures available in module 3 also, and in module 4 also. So I can finish all the modules and learn about the nanotechnology. And now as a student, if you are want to learn into these institutions, or you want to enhance your knowledge, or maybe you are class 12 student, you want to grab about the new technologies, these technology which is available as a discipline, so you can prepare for your exam also. So I think this can be a good opportunity for you. Apart from this, friends, I want to highlight one more opportunity under the NPTEL scheme. You can join live sessions also. When I go to the menu and under the resources, you will see that there are live session links. When I click on the link, it gives me a schedule of the live session, and you can see that one of the session is going to be started at 6 p.m. and this session is based on the topic civil services in India as a career and will be given by Madhukant Kumar, who is actually area officer in Tughlakabad. And now how to join this session is you can join by a link given in the sheet, which is actually a YouTube link, and you can click here and can join this session. So when I click on this link, we land onto the YouTube where detail of this session will be given, and you can join here, and on the time given the session will start and you can learn new things about the civil services as a career. So now friends, I think this opportunity will be good for you, and when you are at home you can join this session from ease of your home, and you can finish these lectures and enhance your knowledge and can prepare for the exams also. And if you are already doing course, these courses will be good opportunity for you. So thank you friends. I think this can be a great opportunity, and if you find my video good, then please share it with your friends also, and please subscribe my channel also, so that new videos come to you as soon as possible. Thank you.